Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time. So guys, when you try to change your country or region in your app store and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to go back on your home screen, and now guys, you need to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back, scroll it down, and check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And now guys, you need to go back. From here you need to select your Apple ID and click on sign in and security, and after that you need to click on change password. Here you need to put your iPhone passcode that you're using for unlock, and here you need to put your new password and retype your new password. And guys, after this your password will be changed. And now guys, you need to go back, and here is the option of subscription. Click on it, and you need to see all the subscription, and you need to remove all the subscriptions from here. And after this guys, now you have to scroll it down and click on media and purchases and click on view account. And now you need to wait. As you will see, click on country and region, and from here you can select any country. After this, as you can see, click on continue and click on agree with terms and conditions. And after this, as you will see, if you want to add any payment method, select this and put your information, and if not, select none option and click on done. And after this, your country and region will be changed like this. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.